In the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence, one company is capturing headlines and investor attention at a record-breaking pace: Anthropic. Founded in 2021, Anthropic has quickly become a key player in the AI ecosystem, demonstrating extraordinary growth and ambition. In just less than 5 years, it has grown from a small startup to a company valued at $183 billion, raising $13 billion in its latest Series F funding round, led by ICONIQ Capital. This rapid ascent has sparked speculation that Anthropic could become the next $1 trillion AI unicorn, rivaling even giants like OpenAI. Anthropic's meteoric rise is remarkable when you consider the typical trajectory of AI startups. OpenAI, now synonymous with cutting-edge AI models and ChatGPT, took 10 years to achieve unicorn status. In contrast, Anthropic has done it in under half that time. The startup has strategically positioned itself at the intersection of AI research, enterprise applications, and developer adoption, creating a unique formula for accelerated valuation growth. The AI industry today is dominated by both innovation and competition, with companies racing to release models that outperform the rest in speed, accuracy, and versatility. Anthropic has distinguished itself with its Claude models, which have become the developer community's favorite for coding, software engineering, and professional AI tasks. By leveraging a combination of ethical AI frameworks, developer-centric tools, and robust commercial adoption, Anthropic is demonstrating that it can scale rapidly without losing focus on its core mission: building AI that is safe, effective, and widely accessible. Investors are particularly excited about Anthropic's Claude Code product, launched in March 2025, which has already generated $43 million in revenue in just 4 months. This performance not only underscores the company's ability to monetize its AI offerings quickly, but also highlights the platform's appeal to developers, who are now considered one of the company's strongest competitive moats. The potential of Anthropic is being measured not only in dollars but also in influence. Its models are increasingly integrated into enterprise software, developer tools, and coding workflows, which further cements its position as a foundational player in the AI industry. This video will provide a deep dive into the funding milestones, competitive positioning, product strategy, revenue growth, and future outlook for Anthropic, laying out why this startup could define the next decade of AI. The most immediate news shaking the AI and venture capital worlds is Anthropic's massive Series F funding round led by ICONIQ Capital. The company raised $13 billion, catapulting its valuation from $41 billion to $183 billion in just 1 year, a staggering 4.5 times growth. For a company founded in 2021, this is nearly unprecedented. In under 5 years, Anthropic has achieved super unicorn status, a term reserved for companies approaching or exceeding valuations of $100 billion. The size of the funding round speaks volumes about investor confidence. At a time when AI startups are under intense scrutiny for ethical and financial risks, Anthropic has convinced some of the largest institutional investors that its approach is both scalable and sustainable. ICONIQ, known for backing transformative technology companies, has signaled that Anthropic is not just another AI startup, but a strategic long-term play poised to dominate multiple segments of the AI market. Such a rapid valuation surge is remarkable not only in scale but also in speed. Traditionally, startups achieve unicorn status over a decade or more, slowly building technology, market traction, and revenue. Anthropic compressed this timeline through strategic funding, developer adoption, and a strong focus on monetizable AI products. The combination of massive capital injection and market-ready products gives the company the financial and operational flexibility to invest heavily in research, infrastructure, and talent acquisition, ensuring it remains ahead of competitors. This funding round also reflects market dynamics in AI venture capital. Investors are increasingly chasing companies capable of delivering exponential growth in both valuation and technological impact. Anthropic's ability to scale from $41 billion to $183 billion in a single year positions it at the forefront of this trend, making it a blue-chip candidate in AI investments. With this funding, the company can accelerate model training, product development, and global expansion, further cementing its potential to become the next $1 trillion AI company. Anthropic's rise is particularly notable when compared to OpenAI, one of the most famous AI startups of the past decade. OpenAI, founded in 2015, took 10 years to reach unicorn status. Anthropic, however, has achieved this in under 5 years, already positioning itself as a global leader in AI technology. The comparison highlights several critical differences in strategy and execution. First, Anthropic prioritizes developer adoption and commercial applications from the outset, whereas OpenAI initially focused on foundational research and public-facing AI models. By engaging developers early and providing tools like Claude Code, Anthropic has cultivated a loyal base willing to pay for services, generating revenue at an unprecedented pace. Second, Anthropic's funding trajectory and strategic partnerships have accelerated growth. With major investors and enterprise clients backing the company, Anthropic has the resources to rapidly scale infrastructure, expand its AI models, and develop specialized products targeting high-value markets like software engineering, data analysis, and enterprise AI solutions. At its current trajectory, Anthropic could surpass OpenAI in both revenue and valuation in the next few years. Its rapid monetization of products, combined with high developer engagement and a strong enterprise pipeline, positions it as a formidable competitor, even in an AI landscape crowded with established players and emerging startups. At the heart of Anthropic's success is its Claude model, which has quickly become a favorite in the developer community. Designed for coding, software engineering, and enterprise applications, Claude delivers a unique combination of accuracy, speed, and usability, earning the trust of developers worldwide. The Claude model stands out for several reasons. Developer trust. Ranked number 1 in developer surveys, Claude is considered the most reliable AI assistant for coding tasks, outperforming competitors in terms of reliability, comprehension, and context understanding. Product integration. Anthropic launched Claude Code in March 2025, providing a platform that integrates seamlessly into developer workflows. The product enables developers to write, debug, and optimize code efficiently, reducing time to market and improving software quality. Community feedback. Developers actively share tips, plugins, and integrations with Claude, creating a network effect that strengthens Anthropic's position. This feedback loop ensures the product evolves with real-world needs, a crucial competitive advantage in AI adoption. By making developers the central focus, Anthropic ensures high engagement, recurring revenue, and long-term loyalty, creating a moat that competitors will find difficult to penetrate. Anthropic's commercial strategy is proving highly effective. Claude Code generated $43 million in revenue in just 4 months, a number that translates to roughly 3.08 billion RMB on an annualized basis. This rapid monetization highlights the cash-generating potential of AI products, particularly when targeted at developers and enterprises willing to pay for productivity-enhancing tools. The company's token-based revenue model also adds another layer of monetization. Users pay for compute and interactions with Claude, creating a recurring revenue stream that scales with usage. Many developers openly report spending significant amounts, some as much as $1,000, which underscores both the value and dependency of users on Claude for critical workflows. This revenue trajectory signals that Anthropic is not merely a research-focused AI company. It is a commercial powerhouse capable of delivering consistent financial performance while continuing to innovate. The combination of AI expertise, developer adoption, and monetization creates a compelling growth narrative that resonates with investors and stakeholders alike. Looking forward, Anthropic faces both tremendous opportunity and significant challenges. Investors are betting on the company to be the defining AI firm of this decade, with a strong belief that its developer-centric approach and Claude model ecosystem will sustain hypergrowth. However, competition remains fierce. OpenAI, Microsoft-backed initiatives, Google DeepMind, and other emerging AI startups continue to push the boundaries of AI capabilities. The critical question is whether Anthropic can maintain its growth trajectory, retain its developer base, and fend off aggressive competitors. Key strategic advantages include developer moat. The strong loyalty and trust of the developer community are unmatched. This provides a natural barrier to competitors. AI integration. Claude is expanding into enterprise applications, coding platforms, and workflow automation, providing diversified revenue streams. Investor confidence. With $13 billion raised and a $183 billion valuation, Anthropic has the resources to scale globally, hire talent, and invest in next-generation AI infrastructure. The challenges ahead include managing expectations, defending market share against OpenAI, and proving that rapid growth can translate into long-term sustainable profits. For now, the market is watching closely. Anthropic is a company to watch, with the potential to reshape the AI industry and achieve unicorn status that could eventually approach $1 trillion.